We recommend everyone to know early Black Friday 2020 about Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer DIY Creative Upgraded all Power Supply Resume Printing. When is Black Friday 2020? Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer DIY Creative Upgraded all Power Supply Resume Printing, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview Summary. Fast heating up thanks to its efficient Meanwell all power supply, only 5 minutes to heating up the hotbed. Resume printing. Let your prints can be resumed from the last layer if power off or lost, saving time and reducing waste. Hotbed leveling much easier and more precise thanks to its big leveling nuts, easy operation to save your time and more efficient. New platform sticker. Improved build surface provides protection to your heated bed and easy to remove the printing models after cooling. MK8 extruder. MK8 extrusion mechanism reducing the risk of plugging and spillage. The wheel make it move noiseless, smoothly, durable. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.